Hello! In this video I will demonstrate useful features on the Canon PIXMA multifunctional printer. I will show the following in this video, and the printer is already set up and connected to Wi-Fi network from the video part 3 in the upper right corner of the screen. First, I talk about the get the most out of your printer section. Find more about these PIXMA features in my product review in the upper right corner notification. First, I connect my smart device with Wi-Fi direct hotspot of the printer. I select the Wi-Fi Direct menu and I can use the on-screen password to connect to my printer. But if you have iOS Apple device, then the Wi-Fi connection is possible by reading the QR code. In the Wi-Fi settings on my iPhone, I see the printer hotspot. I select the iPhone camera and scan the on-screen QR code. A second later, I'm connected to the printer hotspot. To demonstrate printing, I open Safari browser and select Airprint option to print this web page. The PIXMA TS7440 series LED bar indicates that there is a print job going on. In the next part, I give you quick information about other printing apps for smart devices to use with Canon PIXMA. I have fully covered the connectivity in the video about PIXMA TR4600 series, part 5, in the upper right corner of the screen. And you can find more if you want to use scanning software. Then you can also check the video about how to use Canon inkjet scan utility for PIXMA. These videos will give you additional useful information. And for advanced users, I will show you now how to connect PIXMA to print and scan from the cloud services. As my printer has been already connected to Wi-Fi and registered to Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app, this is the point from where I start my cloud setup tutorial. Follow the next steps. My Canon CloudLink account has already been created, so at this step, printer is automatically added to the cloud printer list. My PIXMA has been registered to CloudLink, and now let's print a document from the GDrive to test the connection. The PIXMA TS7440 series LED bar indicates that there is a print job going on. In the upper right corner of the screen you also find the video on how to set up to scan a document to mail using PIXMA CLOUDLINK service. In the last part I show you how to put this model in the demo mode. I put instructions on the screen, and in the next seconds I will show how to do it on the printer. In the demo mode, the PIXMA will scroll through the menus and simulate printing, the LED bar will blink, and there is a walk through the menus. By pressing any button, you can disable the demo mode, which starts again after a few seconds, and to completely switch it off, just turn off and back on again the PIXMA printer. And that would be all in this video. Find more about PIXMA printers on my channel, as there are Wi-Fi tutorials, product reviews, unboxing and other advanced tutorial videos. Feel free to subscribe, turn on the bell so you will be notified about future uploads about printers. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!